What is a function in programming?
A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Functions make programs easier to read, maintain, and reuse. Instead of repeating code multiple times, you can define a function once and call it as needed. Functions often take inputs, called parameters, and can return outputs, making your code more flexible and organized.
How to define a function?
To define a function, you use a special keyword such as def in Python, followed by the function's name and parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can list parameters the function will accept. The function's code goes in the indented block that follows. For example, in Python, def greet name, print hello at name.
Calling a function.
After a function is defined, you can call it by using its name and passing the required arguments in parentheses. For example, after defining greet name, you can call it like this, greet Alice. This runs the code inside the function using Alice as the parameter and prints, hello Alice.
Parameters and return values.
Functions can take parameters, which are values you provide to customize what the function does. Functions can also return information using the return keyword. For example, def add a b return a plus b, calling add 35 returns 8. This allows your code to perform calculations and use the results.
Why use functions?
Using functions makes your code cleaner and easier to debug. By organizing repeated tasks into functions, you save time and make changes in one place. Functions also help break complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces, making coding more efficient and programs easier to understand.